Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mr. Dancy Pants, and today we are bringing you another tutorial, this time on the Caldwell Swag Knot with a variation thrown in. Before we begin, I'd like for you to go down, hit the subscribe button, and click the notification bell. That will let you know every time I upload a new video, and it lets me know that this is the kind of content that you enjoy. So let's get started. Now, for the variation of this knot, you are going to need a ring about 1 inch in diameter. You can get these at the craft section of Walmart or in any craft store. They come in silver or brass. So let's go ahead and take off the vest, undo the knot, and we'll begin.
I mean the kind of music men hum or whistle when they feel on top of the world.
Go ahead and start this knot with our blade on our right side, our tail on our left, and the tip of our tail is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buttons down from the collar. So we're going to bring our tail to the center button line. We're going to take the blade, bring it over top, underneath, up, through the center. We're going to pull that through. Now we're going to bring it around the back, over the top, and again, back through. Now we're going to go ahead and bring it around to the left-hand side, bring it across the front, holding down the tail. We're going to bring it across the front. We're going to bring it up and through the center and down. So if we were to stop here, this would be the Onassis knot that we talked about earlier. You see it sits flat, just like this. What we're going to do is we're going to take the tail of the knot and we're going to give it a twist, a 180-degree twist. And we're going to feed this up through just like that. So it's coming up behind the knot over the top. Now we're going to make sure that the top of our collar is actually open, and we are going to thread the tail through the actual collar. Then we're going to tighten it by reaching between the top and the second button. We're going to go ahead and just pull that down through there. Now we can pull the tie down a little bit, pull the knot down just a little bit. So this is not a knot that sits very tight and very snug. It's actually going to be a bit lowered on the neck. And then we bring the collar down, and that gives us just a little bit of fabric up and over the top. Now, the variation on the knot is starting again from the Onassis knot. What we're going to do is take the tail of the tie and we're going to take one of these rings. These are the 1 inch diameter rings. We are going to feed the tail of the tie through that ring. Then we're going to go ahead and finish tying the knot as we just did. So we're going to rotate the waist, or rotate the tail of the tie at the waist. We're going to bring it behind the knot, up and over, and then again through the collar as we just did, pulling that down. All right, so we're right back to where we started. Now we're just going to feed the blade of the tie through this ring, which gives the knot that same crease that it has when we have it tucked into the knot itself. Gives it that same look, but instead of having a visible knot, it is collared. So ladies and gentlemen, there you have it, the Caldwell Swag Knot and the variation of it. I suppose we could call it the Caldwell Swag Knot. If you like what you saw here, leave a thumbs up down below and drop a comment down in the comment section. If you have any questions, let me know and I'm more than happy to answer them. So until next time, take care.
I mean the kind of music men hum or whistle when they feel on top of the world. And gentlemen, one of the many things that give you that tip-top feeling is the pleasure of being well dressed.